Good morning, Sean Hogan here. How are you? Been talking a lot with my customers lately, and they had questions about the cloud. They have questions about cloud applications and how the cloud affects them. Well, I find myself explaining the cloud over and over, so I figured I'd take a couple minutes here and just talk about what our cloud is and how it works and how it benefits our customers. So we sell a hosted virtual cloud product for voice. It's the Xaltis Cloud, and it is stored at a couple of facilities, disaster recovery facilities. One is called Internap outside of Austin, and it's backed up in Denver, Colorado. So these facilities never go down. They have backup power, backup internet, backup HVAC, you name it. They're extremely robust bunker facilities that are designed for server farms. So another example of the cloud is Amazon or Google, any of these large server farms where they store these virtual servers and they run applications on these servers. The benefit of the cloud is that you get all the processing power and the speed of these facilities. So to go out and buy these servers, they're very expensive, and to buy the bandwidth and buy the backup power and the HVAC, you really can't afford to do that in your smaller business. Some of the larger businesses do that in-house, but this is one way of benefiting by sharing those resources across with other customers in the benefit of being in the cloud. So the cloud is real. It is a real facility. It is real facilities that back each other up. What I always tell people is look out for the people who don't tell you where their cloud is stored. I mean, we're not storing our cloud-based applications at Hogan. We don't have the backup facilities here at East Hampton or the bandwidth really to support that application and to support our customers. So we actually are basically wholesaling, leasing space at Internap outside of Boston. So the big question is, what happens when the internet goes down? You know, do I lose my voice services? Locally, yeah, you do. Your phone stops working because your phone needs to connect to the cloud in order to communicate with the cloud-based system. But that's not the end of the world. The system may very well go down, but your application that's running on your smartphone is still up and running because the cloud's not down. And as long as your cell phone's up and running, you might locally have an internet outage, but automatically calls fail over to your cell phone. And the way we're doing business nowadays, we're doing so much business on our mobile apps that really doesn't seem to be a huge difference. And we're, like it or not, I sell phones, but phones are being used less and less for calls. There's more texting and email and cloud-based applications that are being used on these phones these days. Just to kind of recap, our cloud is stored outside of Boston, backed up in Denver. It's lower cost per month, typically, than going out and buying plain old telephone service or buying standard telephone lines. So we actually point services to the cloud that give you unlimited local long distance for a very good monthly rate. Usually it's a fixed cost. And so you get the benefits of having the resources. You also get the benefits of being in the cloud and sharing much better software applications than you normally would buy for your business. So you're getting really enterprise level applications at a very low cost because, again, we're sharing all those resources. But if you have any questions about the cloud, how it works, like a demonstration about how our apps work, our mobile applications, our Find Me, Follow Me app, our bridge ring, you name it, we'd love to come out and love to do a screen share with you and show you what we can do. There's some very powerful tools that not only save you hard cost, I stress this, yeah, it may save you some money per month compared to what you're doing today. Most of my customers do see some cost recovery almost immediately. But the soft cost savings, the ability to actually utilize these features to become a more efficient office, that soft cost savings can be phenomenal. And that's really what we do at Hogan here, is we design and customize the solution so that it does benefit. You become a much more efficient office. We're all trying to do more with less. That's the nature of the world in business. We're trying to get more out of everybody. We're trying to communicate better. I don't want voicemails. I get very few voicemails because people find me. I answer the phone. So great applications out there. Again, my name is Sean Hogan. My company is Hogan Technology. We're out of East Hampton, Mass. And thank you for watching today.